us.
I know.
I'm zoomed in.
We're waiting for the green, everyone. I can't. I want to go higher. We can sit in that box, can we?
Yeah, right.
Look, guys, do you see that? That looks like a...
You keep turning around.
No wonder, look at that one. It's like fairies. See, guys, do you see
It's firework night!
Woo!
I have firework night!
So do I.
And we're alone.
I've got a scarf.
Oh my god, Louise, you just missed like one of the most amazing ones ever. It was massive.
I know, you should have seen one. See how you were getting your camera ready? There was a big one over there. Winter, guys. Oh wait, I'm still zoomed in.
So am I? Oh my god, these pools are annoying me.
I don't know, but I can go.
Wait, just go in the golf right now.
I know it is, and I don't want to get the wading boots.
Your feet will get cold standing in the wet.
I've got sped socks on. I missed it again.
I'm gonna pause it and tell some good fireworks. Come on.
I can attach my videos
Hi,
together.
Mom, turn around. You can't even see it. It's too dark. You're the
This
one
is live,
thing
everyone.
I can't get enough of.
Making sure.
Boop. Back car. Ba-doop.
Oh look, guys, fireworks down there.
Where? Oh my god, Louise, look, there's a firework like right there.
That's a yeah, I know.
Is that gonna go off?
I'm not sure.
Louise, there's one over there as well.
I think
Look,
it's-
there's a bonfire over there.
Oh look, guys, bonfire. See the line? That's a sparkler, by the way.
Well, should we lay on the ground? That's gonna start fire.
Ooh. No, that was a sparkler.
Yeah, but sparklers can start fires.
I just missed a blow. Oh, come on.
I'm gonna pause this until a different one comes on. Oh, thank God, Louise, that sparklers went off. And you're the one thing I can't get enough.
I know.
So weird, I have that song stuck in my head.
Hey guys, this is part 2
Oh, when's Glasgow
of
Green
firework
starting?
night. We're waiting for Glasgow Green.
It's meant to start, but
Whoa!
I got the end of that end.
Same. I keep on missing it.
Right, keep pointing at me then.
That's what I'm doing. Sorry for the street light. Go back, Alex. Go back. Go. Leave us alone, car.
As you're pointed that way, I'm sure there'll be brilliant ones over here that you missed.
And that's why I'm making my face go over there.
Ah, I got it.
Car.
Hey guys, we're doing super speed and we're turning side to side. Wait, one there! I got it perfect!
Damn it!
Full version. Oh wait, there's some down there. Oh wait, that's a street light. I can hear some, but they're not here. Oh, there's one behind that house, but you can't.
There's one like right here.
I know. Oh, I missed
I'm not giving these up here. These are actually quite cool. Alright, they're done.
I just went.
They were actually really cool, those ones.
I love bonfire night. It's pretty. Oh look, another sparkler on everybody.
Jeez!
Maybe
Somebody's
Abby-
down there.
Oh, Abby! Oh, wait, that's a rubbish one.
There's people down
look,
there.
kaboom. No, that was supposed to be a big kaboom. 14 minutes, okay.
I can't see properly! Mom, can you give me this? Can you go down and get me a stool?
Oh, look at that. Abby, look, a firework.
You just missed a really good one there.
I'm not getting it.
Oh, wait away. Guys, we're trying to get the whole word, but you can kind of hear it right now.
I'm gonna pause this, guys.
That's pretty.
Yes! What?
Whoa.
That one was rubbish. Oh, there we go.
See, other people's fireworks are rubbish, Abby.
What?
I've spent money on these. We're not. We're standing getting the benefit of other people's fireworks, so I think
Whoa, what?
on the right they missed.
Look.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
It's purple.
Oh no. Oh,
It's red.
Whoa,
It's blue.
purple.
It's blue. Aw, no more? Oh, okay. Oh, Christmas ones.
Quite a here, quite a looks like Christmas tree colours. Whoa!
I hope I got that. I hope I got that.
Just put your hand through the bar. Oh, you're not getting the hand in anyway.
Oh, fire lamp! Look!
Oh, look.
Tonight the lights
This is so
will appear.
Oh,
Just
let
like
me-
they do on my
I know,
birthday
one got caught in the
this
tree
year.
before.
What is it
Before,
like?
you can get
Out
covered
there
with
where
bits
I
of
go. Now that I'm
Sorry, guys,
older,
I'm sure
my
that-
mother like just let me go. Oh my god, I love that.
Oh, no, there's the one.
These squeaky ones, the 1P ones.
These ones are better.
Oh, come on! Come on! I'm not giving up on these wee 1P ones.
The wee empty ones are the cool ones.
No, they go.
Maybe you wimpy ones.
That's
Look,
what I
the
call
lantern's
them.
still going. Look at that lantern. The lantern.
Big one.
Whoa! Oh yes, I got that.
Oh, yes, I got that one.
You tend to find, see if you see someone who's doing that, they'll do some more because they tend to leave the big ones to last.
I know, because it makes it so amazing.
Unlike the town of Oban that just decide to set everything off at the same time.
I'm pausing this right now. Hey guys.
Hey guys, we're starting again. This is round 5. Round 5 of fireworks round. Oh no, I've run out of battery.
God, you can totally smell something.
I ran out of battery. No, I was supposed to get Glasgow Green. I ran out of my batteries.
When it came up to Glasgow Green, I'm gonna stop now.